In an ever-evolving world, personal safety is a priority we all share. While the notion of self-defense often conjures images of traditional weaponry, non-lethal options have gained popularity as an effective means of protection. However, understanding the legal implications and potential consequences of using these tools is crucial. Non-lethal weapons include a range of devices designed to incapacitate an attacker without causing permanent harm. Common examples include pepper spray, stun guns, and personal alarms. While these tools can provide a sense of security, the laws governing their use vary significantly across different jurisdictions. In many regions, pepper spray is considered a legal defensive tool. However, certain states or countries impose restrictions on its concentration, requiring users to ensure that they are compliant with local regulations. Meanwhile, stun guns are generally legal but are subject to varying restrictions. For instance, in some areas, possession may require a specific permit, and using a stun gun might be restricted to self-defense scenarios strictly. This highlights the importance of being well-informed about the laws applicable in your area before carrying any such device. Beyond mere possession, the circumstances under which non-lethal weapons can be used are heavily scrutinized. A crucial principle in self-defense law is the concept of reasonable force. This means the force used in defense must be proportionate to the threat perceived. For instance, deploying pepper spray against an unarmed individual in a non-threatening situation could lead to legal repercussions, potentially making the user liable for assault charges. Moreover, there's a common misconception that simply possessing a non-lethal weapon automatically vindicates an individual in any self-defense situation. However, the legal system often requires demonstrable proof that such actions were necessary. This involves substantiating the perceived threat and articulating why an alternative, less forceful response would have been ineffective. It's also important to consider the aftermath of a defense situation. Even in cases where non-lethal force is justified, there's often an investigation to determine the appropriateness of the actions taken. Therefore, individuals involved are advised to immediately contact legal counsel to navigate these proceedings effectively. In conclusion, while non-lethal weapons are a viable option for personal protection, they come with an obligation to understand and adhere to the legal frameworks that govern their use. By acquainting oneself with the relevant laws and practicing prudent judgment, individuals can better safeguard themselves legally, all while ensuring their personal safety. Ultimately, responsible ownership and the thoughtful employment of non-lethal weapons underscore their rightful place in contemporary self-defense strategies, providing peace of mind within legal boundaries.